the world is warming faster now than at any point in recorded history. If heating continues at this rate, it could have a devastating impact on our planet, causing increased extreme weather events, sea level rise, food shortages, and extinctions. But we can avoid the worst of these effects if we limit global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. Our bite-sized modules focus on 6 areas in which we in Malaysia can act for the climate. Have you ever thought about where our electricity comes from? Or how our use of electricity affects the climate? Malaysia's warm tropical weather means that those of us who can afford air conditioning are tempted to have it on as much as possible. And isn't it so easy to throw a couple of things in the washing machine for a quick spin? While enjoying these comforts of home, you're probably not thinking about rising sea levels, changes in rainfall patterns, or melting polar ice caps. We often take electrical energy for granted. Think about this. Over the past century, 2/3 of electricity generated worldwide has come from burning fossil fuels like coal and natural gas. This leads to carbon dioxide emissions. Greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide trap heat energy in the atmosphere, which significantly impacts the Earth's temperature. A recent IPCC report states that pathways limiting global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius require a rapid reduction in energy-intensive lifestyles and a drastic decarbonization of our electricity. We depend on fossil fuels to generate 82% of our electricity, and electricity is the sector making the biggest contribution to Malaysia's emissions. To combat climate change, we need to break free from fossil fuel electricity. Malaysia is a land of sunshine. Isn't it such a waste that less than 1% of our electricity comes from solar energy? Renewable energy like solar and wind are much cleaner and are much better for the climate. There are also many things that you can do to reduce your personal electricity consumption. Just remember these 3 simple letters. ASI. Avoid, shift, improve. Avoid using more electricity than you need. Turn off the lights when you leave the room. Run the washing machine only when it's full. And switch appliances off at the plug so that they don't run on standby. Shift to natural ventilation or fans for cooling instead of power-hungry air conditioners. Improve your energy consumption by choosing more efficient Energy Star products. Use solar panels to offset some of your household electrical needs. For more simple ideas on how you can act for the climate, check out our bite-sized climate modules and follow us on social media.